Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a weed channel, okay? So we're here to get high and just have a good time, man. So I have my Sprite bong here. I made it myself with my own 2 hands. So comment down below if you like her and if you think that she's nice. I might even tell you how I made it, you know. I might even help you make your own bong. So yeah. Then here I got some of my homegrown weed. That's what we're gonna be smoking on today. So let me pick a nice bud over here. Okay, I think this one is the right size, but not for today's video. Let me try to pick another one. So yesterday, guys, yesterday I tried to smoke, man. But dude, I was just feeling so dehydrated, man, and I didn't understand why I felt so dehydrated. But I realized, dude, I've been smoking for 30 minutes straight without a water bottle, you know what I mean? So always have water with you. You know, just for safety, just for comfort, you know what I mean? So without further ado, let me just get this ground up and then we'll start smoking. So comment down below what you're smoking on and what you're smoking out of. I'd love to know what you guys are smoking, man. This weed actually smells very, very nice, guys. It smells, it's one of the best smells I've ever smelled. So in yesterday's video, we actually went deep into the ego and the causes of the problems in the world, man. And we went into further detail about jealousy and attachment. So if you wanna, if you missed that video, just go to the channel and view the videos on the convo about the ego. Then you get all caught up. So right now I'm just having a morning session. I just woke up, got out of the shower, and I'm about to smoke with y'all. I hope y'all are smoking along with me, because that's the whole use of this channel, you know what I mean? I want to give you guys a platform to feel at home, to feel you're normal, you know what I mean? I know that the pandemic kind of made you scared to be social and go outside, so I'm giving you an alternative to do the same but indoors, you know what I mean? So without further ado, guys, let's get high. Cheers, guys. So I don't know if you guys have watched my previous videos, but I talk about my garden a lot. And I was inspecting my wheat garden this morning, and I found this little bird crouching on one of my biggest wheat trees, eating up the seeds. You know what I mean? It was dude, what are you doing, man? Like, I'm here, I'm staring at you, and you're destroying my weed, but it's not running away, you know what I mean? Yeah. I guess it was a little high. I don't know if birds get high from like eating weed seeds, but it was very, very, very slow to react to my presence there, hey? As if it knew that I was like a peaceful stoner, I wasn't gonna hurt it or anything. But it was a very surreal moment, you know. I just woke up, just imagine, I just woke up, I'm a little hazy, and I look at my weed garden and there's like this little yellow bird crouching on one of my trees, man. Crazy. So comment down below if you guys are also growers. Comment down below what you're growing and what type of strains you're dabbling with. I'm dabbling with some Durban poison and some Swazi gold. We have that in abundance here in South Africa since we are very near Durban and we're very near Swaziland. But I'm actually trying to make a new strain because one of my buddies buys weed online, and he has like some foreign strains and he gave me some seeds. So like once those plants mingle with the Durban poison and Swazi gold, I might have like a new F2, F3 phenotype, you know what I mean? And I'm very, very, very excited for that, man. Like to create a new strain, that's a big thing, man. Just imagine if it goes global. I mean, there's strawberry cough. There's those legendary strains out there, you know, the Thai sticks. You know, I want to make my own strain and like make it go viral, make it go global, you know what I mean? And I was watching this other documentary on YouTube where they were talking about South Africa's climate and that it's one of the best climates to grow weed in, you know what I mean? So I'm very excited to see what, you know, what this terroir has to offer. Terroir is like a terroir. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Terroir. I'm not sure. Terroir is like the outside environment for like outdoor plants, you know, involving weed. So when you grow plants outdoors, you have to make sure that everything is perfect, you know. You have to make sure that the soil is full of microbials. It's like in a well-wooded place so that there's not a lot of wind going around. You have to make sure that there's a lot of mulch for carbon dioxide. So yeah, plants also need to feel comfortable, and that's what terroir means. So with that being said, guys, let me end the video here. Stay cool, calm and collected. Stay high.